welcome or welcome back to my channel. On this video, we are going to clean my bag with me. You guys already know how I do this. I usually just play some jams and start cleaning. So if this is your first time, welcome. My name is Princess. Thank y'all again so much for joining me. This bag here is the Brooklyn 28. I have my elephant charm on here, and I'm actually going to be moving into my Empire 21. So I took off my C keychain that I normally have on here, but I still have Miss Ellie on here. Hey y'all, hey. And then yeah, that's pretty much the depths of this of this bag. This is what it looks like on the inside here. I'm just gonna clean it out so I can move into my new baggy bag. So let's jump right into it. If you like videos like this one, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell so you know more videos like this is posted. Again, give me a big thumbs up, which is the like button. Hit the like button so YouTube know that you like videos like this one. It'll send more people like you my way. All right, y'all, let's get right into it. this part of the video. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I'm going to stuff this girl with some paper. Y'all know, I don't know if y'all do this, but I've been starting to stuff my bags with paper. And these are the things that come with when you first get them. I'll be stuffing them whenever I put them in the closet because I don't want them to mildew or become stinky. So that's been what I've been doing lately. And anyways, if you made it to this part of the video, thank you guys so much for joining me. Go ahead and put some hearts in the comment section so I know that you made it to this part of the video. And if you already know and you've been here, it could be any color heart because it's all love over here, sis. It's all love over here, bro. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Again, if you have not subscribed and you made it to this part of the video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell so you know when more videos like this is posted. And like this video so YouTube can send more people like you my way. Thank you guys again so much for joining me, and I cannot wait to see you guys on my next video vlog. If you also are interested in these bags or anything that I post on my channel, I do post all of the links on my LTK shop to make it easier for you. Now I do get paid a like not a commission or whatever for you guys to use my link, but I had one of my girls, my purse sister, say, help me help you, okay? So yes, everything is posted on my LTK shop. Anything that you see on my channel, I will be posting on my LTK shop, and I'll put the link in the description area. Again, thank you guys so much for joining me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.